Bepin Choudhury's Lapse of Memory is a chapter that revolves around the life of Bepin Choudhury, an elderly man who becomes known for his forgetfulness. The story explores themes of honesty, forgiveness, and the importance of human connections. The chapter begins by introducing Bepin Choudhury as a respected and honest man in his community. However, as he grows older, he starts experiencing memory lapses, leading to incidents of forgetfulness and confusion. These lapses become a subject of gossip among the people in his town. One day, Bepin Choudhury is accused of stealing a wallet containing a substantial amount of money. The accusations deeply hurt him as he has always prided himself on his honesty. Despite his memory lapses, he vehemently denies the theft. To prove his innocence, Bepin Choudhury decides to take a journey to his childhood home, hoping that it will trigger memories and provide evidence to clear his name. Accompanied by his younger neighbor, Samresh, they embark on the journey to the old house. During the journey, Bepin Choudhury recalls his childhood memories and shares stories with Samresh. These stories not only provide glimpses into his past but also highlight the importance of human connections and the bonds that transcend age and memory. Upon reaching the old house, Bepin Choudhury realizes that he has indeed forgotten many things, including the specific reason for his visit. However, the journey itself becomes a transformative experience for both Bepin Choudhury and Samresh. Back in the town, Bepin Choudhury is finally proven innocent when the real thief is caught. The incident serves as a lesson to the community about not jumping to conclusions and the need for understanding and compassion towards the elderly. Here are some questions and answers related to the chapter. What is the main theme of the chapter Bepin Choudhury's Lapse of Memory? The main themes of the chapter are honesty, forgiveness, and the importance of human connections and the challenges faced by the elderly. How does Bepin Choudhury's forgetfulness affect his life? Bepin Choudhury's forgetfulness becomes a subject of gossip and leads to accusations against him, causing emotional distress and challenging his reputation for honesty. Why does Bepin Choudhury decide to embark on a journey to his childhood home? Bepin Choudhury hopes that revisiting his childhood home will trigger memories and provide evidence to clear his name from the accusation of theft. What role does Samresh play in the story? Samresh, Bepin Choudhury's young neighbor, accompanies him on the journey and serves as a companion. He learns valuable life lessons from Bepin Choudhury's stories and experiences. What's the lesson learned by the community in the end? The community learns the importance of not jumping to conclusions and the need for understanding and compassion towards the elderly, as Bepin Choudhury is proven innocent when the real thief is caught.